In the context of product compliance, an EU Authorized Representative is an individual or a business entity that acts as an authorized point of contact on behalf of a manufacturer that is based outside of the EU and placing products onto the EU market. The answer to the question, is it mandatory to have an EU GPSR Authorized Representative, is yes. If you fall under the following categories, you're a non-EU BASED manufacturer. You do not have an alternative EU economic operator responsible for the additional tasks. You are selling your product on the EU market. Your product is applicable to the EU GPSR. On the 13th of December 2024, the EU General Product Safety Directive, GPSD, was replaced by the new EU General Product Safety Regulation, EU GPSR. This updated regulation modernizes and strengthens the framework for ensuring that only safe products are placed on the EU market. Under the EU GPSR, it is a legal requirement for non-EU manufacturers to appoint an EU Authorized Representative when placing products on the market. The obligations of an EU Authorized Representative include cooperating with the manufacturer and the market surveillance authorities when a reasoned request for information is required, verifying that the manufacturer has drawn up technical documentation outlined in the regulation, and to provide the EU business name and address for the product packaging or accompanying document. The full list can be found in the Market Surveillance Regulation EU 20,191,020 in the EU GPSR. Complico Consulting provide the EU GPSR Authorized Representative Service. If you would like more information or would like to receive a quote, please contact us at www.complicoconsulting.com.